On behalf of our community, the Jou Nouvo staff in Haiti, we'd like to thank every single person who supported our work, our beneficiaries, and our community center. These past months have been difficult and challenging, but we remain strong and hopeful. We are not giving up, and we will never do. From the bottom of our hearts, we want to say thank you for your support, and we want to wish you happy holidays.
Hello everyone. I would like to thank you on behalf of the HIF student for your unconditional support, the joy and happiness you bring to my community. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Non, Jou Nouvo nous dit joyeux Noël ensemble avec tout le staff là.
Et nous souhaitons pour Jou Nouvo plus de succès pour Nouvel An.
I feel very grateful and happy to be part of this great team, doing a useful job with the children and the community of Jou Nouvo. We are providing quality education to young people and adults through our different programs. 2024 was a tough year because we had to face all the insecurity problems. But we did not give up, and we cannot give up because our work means a lot to those in need. Our work would not be possible without the selfless support of our sponsors. And as we are celebrating the holiday season, I'm sending love and all the warm wishes to you and your family. May this new year brings to you joy, love, quality moments, and abundance. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all the Jou Nouvo staff members and all the sponsors, especially the sponsors of the Girls Colors program. Thank you.